Good morning everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create Microsoft Excel worksheet. First of all, we go to our desktop. You can see my screen. Then move cursor on your desktop and right click on a blank on a blank space. Go to the property new. In new you can see the option of Microsoft Office Excel worksheet. Click on it. You have created a new file called a new Microsoft Sheet. We can change its name by right click on and go to the rename. Suppose I want to give name like my my file, so I give name is my file. Okay, and you can go into the Microsoft Excel sheet. You can see the Microsoft Excel. Thank you.